Okay, welcome. Today we are doing some puff puff. I'll show you how to do some puff puff. Here I have warm water. This is warm water. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, this is just warm water. What we start with is yeast. Don't know if you can see yeast. Yeah, I have yeast. Open it. I have my spoon here. I'll get 1 spoon of yeast like that. I'll put into my warm water, and all my ingredients, they are here, what I'm using. Mix your yeast. Oh, sorry, I'm spilling it. I don't know if you can see it because I'm filming by myself. I'm trying to use back camera, so I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, with just the yeast, I mix it. Use warm water. Okay, I'll cover it. I'll put the plates or something. I already wash my hands. Yeah, before you cook it, wash your hands, or you can wear gloves. If you like to wear gloves, go ahead. Yeah, but I wash my hand, is super clean. Yeah, this flour, this is the flour I always use. I'll put into my bucket. This bucket is clean. This ice cream bucket is clean too. Okay, now it's time to cook. Let me show you this, the oil already here. The oil is hot. Yeah, I'm going now to put my my stuff inside the puff puff. One I already mixed. Okay, let me put the camera here. Let me charge my phone too. I don't know if you can see. I'll reduce the fire. Yeah, the fire was a little bit high. And this is the oil I use. Canola oil, 100%. Coconut oil, that's what I use. And here I have my water. Here I have my spoon. And that's my product. The stuff that I mix, you see. I did cover it to see how big it is. And I'll put up the just to put your hands in the water like that. My hand is clean, like the way I said it. And I'll take, I don't know if you can see it, I don't know. I'll take small one and put it in the oil to see if the oil is ready. Yeah, the oil is ready. The oil is ready. I don't know if you can see it. My phone is in the charger. I don't want to make my phone fall. Yeah, you touch the water. Reduce the fire all the way to 4. You don't have to put too much fire, because if the fire is too high, the puff is going to be ready just outside, not inside. So the puff need to be ready inside and outside. So that's why I'll keep reducing the fire. As you can see, you see how it is. They are so beautiful. Yeah, you keep putting them aside like this so everywhere can be goldish brown. Good. See, we're done. This is our puff puff. This is how it look like. Yeah, so we have our puff puff. You can make your puff puff at home. Yeah, if you don't want to be buying some bread. Yeah, this one you just buy your flour, and the flour they will last. And this one you can drink with milk, you can drink with tea, you can drink with coffee, you can drink with juice. Yeah, you can eat it as a breakfast, morning breakfast. Yeah, you can eat it in time. Yeah, this is how it look like. Let me get one from here. Yeah, let me get one so you can see how it look inside. See, it's very good, clean and neat. Yeah, just use the recipe the way I did. Yeah, you have this result. Our puff puff, bitumbula, benye, mandazi. Yeah, the sugar is not that much. It's perfect. If you like sugar so much, you can put more sugar. Yeah, keep avoiding sugar stuff. Oil, yeah, keep avoiding them. No, see, it's very good. Yeah, you can eat with your chicken, you can eat with your meat, you can eat with fish, you can eat with anything. Yeah, just like look alive. Puff puff. As you can see, if you wanna try it, just watch the video all the way to the end, and you'll see and how I mix it, every small stuff. Yeah, it's in the video. Thank you so much. I don't much thank you so much. Watch the video to the end. I really, really appreciate, and give me a like button. Yeah, and comment down below. Bye. See you to my next video. And this video is a little bit quiet. Yeah, because my kids, they are all sleeping. It's not like the other one, the one who was the one I did for the fufu. My kid, they was awake. They was opening the door and all those noise, background noise. Yeah, but this one is calm and good. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye. Love you. Love you.